Hi, I'm the Nature Kid, and in this video, I'm going to be looking for bugs in the yard. This is a millipede. Despite their name, millipedes do not have a million legs. In fact, the name millipede means 1,000 legs, but they don't have 1,000 either. Smaller ones have around 30, and larger ones about 100. Millipedes are sometimes mistaken for centipedes, but unlike centipedes, millipedes don't bite. Millipedes have a defense against predators. When threatened, they will exude cyanide from their exoskeleton. This cyanide burns predators' eyes and can be toxic. This earthworm is. Hey, Buffy! This really cool thing about slugs, and it's that slugs, actually, slug slime is a different state of matter, and it's called liquid crystal, and it's kind of halfway between a solid and a liquid. So slugs are hermaphrodites, which means that they are both male and female. This bug is a leather jacket. Isn't that a weird name? Leather jackets turn into crane flies, which look like giant mosquitoes, but really crane flies are harmless. This ant is a winter ant. Unlike most ants, which are active during the spring and summer, winter ants are only active during fall and winter. They are also called false honeypot ants because there's another species of ant called the honeypot ant that stores large amounts of honey in its abdomen, and winter ants sometimes resemble honeypot ants. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more Nature Kid videos. Bye!